So we just had the new iPhones, and the next big launch event that everyone is looking forward to is that of the Google Pixel 8 series. The Pixel 8 series is launching on the 4th of October, and Google has already given us a pretty good look at the design of both phones. But now a massive leak has revealed the camera features of both the phones. This leak also includes the official promo video of the Pixel 8 series, and if you look at this video, it talks about all the new camera tricks that the Pixel 8 series can do. For example, there is a feature called Video Boost, which tweaks the colors, lighting, stabilization, and more to make the video more cinematic. Then there is the night sight video feature for better videos in low light situations. The Pixel 8 series also gets a feature called Audio Eraser, which will identify the sounds in your video and then you can reduce the background noise. There is even a feature where you can change the facial expressions of people in the shot to make the overall shot better. Finally, there is the Magic Editor feature, which Google showcased at the I/O this year, and using this feature you can make complex edits in just a few taps, all thanks to AI. So you can edit the sky, edit the background, reposition the subject, and more. And while there are a ton of software features, it does not mean that Google has not upgraded the camera hardware on these phones. Both the phones have a 50 megapixel primary sensor, and while there were reports of an upgraded Samsung GN2 sensor on the Pixel 8 series, that does not seem to be the case as per this new leak. Now, it is also possible that there is a typo in this leak because almost every source out there has reported an upgraded GN2 sensor. Anyways, as per this leak, what is upgraded this year is the aperture. The Pixel 7 series had a primary camera with f1.9 aperture, but the Pixel 8 series has an f1.68 aperture lens for the primary camera. A wider aperture means more light reaches the camera sensor, and this can greatly enhance the photos taken in low light situations. As for the ultra-wide camera, the Google Pixel 8 has the same 12 megapixel sensor with f2.2 aperture lens and 1.25 micron pixel size. But the field of view is wider this time at 125.8 degrees compared to the 114 degrees on the Pixel 7. The ultra-wide camera on the Pixel 8 Pro gets a 48 megapixel sensor with 4-in-1 pixel binning and f1.95 aperture. It is interesting to see that this year the Pro gets a different ultra-wide camera than the vanilla model. This was not the case with the previous Pixels, where we used to have the same primary and ultra-wide cameras on both the models. The Pixel 8 Pro has a third camera on the back, which is a periscope telephoto camera. On paper, this is the same camera as the last year's Pixel 7 Pro with a 48 megapixel sensor and 5x optical zoom. But one big upgrade this year is in the aperture. Instead of f3.5, the periscope camera on the Pixel 8 Pro has a wider f2.8 aperture, same as the latest iPhones. And finally, both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro have a 10.5 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture lens and a 95-degree field of view. One important upgrade that the Pixel 8 Pro gets is autofocus for the selfie camera, which the Pixel 7 Pro did not have. This should make the selfie experience better on the Pro model as compared to the vanilla model, which still has fixed focus. Well, this year the Google Pixel 8 Pro is getting more camera features than the Pixel 8. Earlier, the Pro model used to have one extra camera than the vanilla model, and that's it. But this year there is not just one extra camera, but a different ultra-wide camera and some exclusive software features. For example, Video Boost, night sight video, and even the ability to take 50 megapixel photos are all exclusive to the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro also has autofocus for the selfie camera, which the Pixel 8 does not have. The Pro model also gets multi-zone laser detect autofocus sensor compared to a single zone one on the Pixel 8. The Pixel 8 Pro also has a Pro mode, which again the Pixel 8 does not have. And finally, while it may just be a gimmick, the Pixel 8 Pro also has that thermometer sensor on the back, which the vanilla model does not have. And well, that is all about this latest leak. It looks like the Google Pixel 8 Pro is getting some massive camera upgrades. What are your thoughts? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.